Are you looking for the perfect bandsaw to take your woodworking projects to the next level? Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a serious woodworker, or a professional craftsman, having the right bandsaw can make or break your work. But with so many options on the market, choosing the best one can feel overwhelming. Which one delivers the cleanest cuts? Which offers the most power and precision? And most importantly, which one is the best investment for your money? Well, you're in the right place because today, we're breaking down the best jet bandsaws of 2025 to help you make the best decision. We've carefully tested and reviewed the top jet bandsaws available on Amazon, considering power, durability, accuracy, and overall performance. So whether you're cutting intricate curves, resawing thick lumber, or working on heavy-duty commercial projects, we've got the perfect pick for you. Make sure to check the description box and first comment for the product links so you can grab the one that suits you best. Now, let's dive into our list, starting with number 4. Jet JWBS 15 1.75 horsepower bandsaw. If you're looking for a powerful bandsaw that doesn't compromise on precision, the Jet JWBS 15 is an absolute game changer. With a 1.75 horsepower motor, this beast slices through hardwoods and thick stock with ease. It features a large cast iron table that provides exceptional stability, reducing vibrations for ultra-smooth cuts. But what sets it apart? The resaw capacity of 14 inches makes it an ideal choice for woodworkers who frequently handle larger projects. Plus, the toolless blade guide system allows for quick adjustments, making it incredibly user-friendly. If you're looking for a professional-grade bandsaw at a mid-range price, this one is a solid investment. Jet 700 8115 JWBS 14 CS 14-inch bandsaw. Coming in at number 3, the Jet 700 8115 JWBS 14 CS is a versatile, heavy-duty bandsaw that's a favorite among woodworking professionals. Why? First, the frame is built from high-quality cast iron, which not only ensures longevity but also reduces vibration, resulting in precise and clean cuts. The 14-inch throat capacity allows for a variety of woodworking applications, from detailed scrollwork to straight cuts. It also includes an enclosed stand with a built-in storage cabinet, giving you extra space for storing blades and tools. Whether you're an amateur looking to upgrade or a seasoned pro, this Jet bandsaw is built to handle a wide range of projects with ease. Jet 14-inch woodworking bandsaw. At number 2, the Jet 14-inch woodworking bandsaw is one of the most popular models among woodworkers for a reason. It features a powerful 1-horsepower motor, perfect for handling hardwoods, resawing lumber, and even cutting intricate designs. The quick-release blade tensioning system is a standout feature, making blade changes fast and hassle-free. Unlike many competitors, this bandsaw boasts an efficient dust collection system, keeping your workspace clean and reducing airborne sawdust. If you're looking for a reliable, all-purpose bandsaw that delivers both power and precision, the Jet 14-inch bandsaw is a fantastic choice. Jet 10-inch woodworking bandsaw with stand. Finally taking the number 1 spot as the best jet bandsaw of 2025 is the Jet 10-inch woodworking bandsaw with stand. This compact yet powerful bandsaw is ideal for small workshops, DIYers, and professionals who need a high-quality machine without taking up too much space. It features a high-torque motor, ensuring smooth, accurate cuts on various materials. The rack and pinion blade guide system provides incredible stability, while the precision-balanced wheels reduce vibrations for flawless cuts. What really makes this model stand out is its adjustable fence system, which allows for precise rip cuts and detailed work. If you want the best combination of affordability, precision, and power, this is the ultimate choice. And there you have it, our top picks for the best jet bandsaws of 2025. No matter which one you choose, each of these jet bandsaws is built for precision, durability, and power, helping you tackle all your woodworking projects like a pro. But now, we want to hear from you. Which one is your favorite? Do you own a jet bandsaw, or are you planning to get one soon? Let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to check the description box and first comment for direct links to these top-rated bandsaws so you can grab the best deal today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest expert tool reviews. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy woodworking!